Have you ever wondered what kind of accommodation you can get in Southeast Asia and in Thailand? Well, in this video we'll show you a short room tour of our Airbnb that we booked for our stay in Sriracha in Thailand and give you an honest review to what just £42 a night can get you. Entering inside the apartment, you are met with colourful and vibrant artwork, as well as that whoosh of space and light. It felt welcoming each time you opened the door. Then, to our right, you have one of the two bedrooms. This featured its own working desk and chair, with a comfy and stylish queen bed, and a small chair if you did fancy sitting down. The best thing though was the high-tech air conditioner that kept the room cool even overnight. It was also handy to have plenty of room for storage with hangers and an ironing board and iron. Firstly, it's worth mentioning that prices do increase in the peak periods like all accommodation, but after looking through the calendar of this particular property, £42 was near enough the middle ground all year for a night's stay. What drew us into the property at first was its location. We knew that we wanted to explore Sriracha, and it was situated in the heart of Sriracha town and only a 20-minute ride away from Pattaya city. The queen bedroom has this bathroom as almost like its own ensuite. What we liked about it firstly was how it was designed, but the fact that you had an LED mirror, towels and a sizable walk-in shower. It was complete with shampoo and conditioner, and it really was fresh and clean. Just beside the bathroom you have the master bedroom, which features a huge king bed with again a stylish design. This room is slightly larger than the other and it has its own vanity corner, which was perfect for me doing my hair, and the little stool below was super comfy too. It also has that all-important air conditioning unit and even another large desk and chair for me to sit and use my laptop. The ensuite bathroom is very similar in design to the other, but I really enjoyed its style and appreciate all the touches. The apartment boasts a very spacious living room and kitchen area. Its living room is stylish, cosy and features a lovely soft sofa bed with a wall-mounted flat screen that also doubled up as a smart TV, so you could access things like YouTube, Netflix, which made it perfect to lounge around in the evening, and being able to catch up on our favourite channels. Then in the kitchen area, there is a nice table and chairs that are ready for you to sit and enjoy some food. There are great appliances like an air fryer and cooker, but what we really liked was the little touches that made coming to this property worth it. Not only did they provide soap and scourers for washing up, they stocked up a jar with tea, coffee and Milo sachets. Then a large fridge freezer, which is massive, had cold bottles of water stocked up and waiting. The kitchen had really everything that you could need: pots, pans, glasses, plates and cutlery. Perfect if you wanted to enjoy some home cooking. But it's worth noting there are a plethora of restaurants and food stalls at really great prices and offering local incredible street food that sometimes can be cheaper than buying from the supermarket. Another fantastic point to note was the Wi-Fi. Here it was fantastic, with great upload and download speeds, making it super easy to either upload videos or download some TV series. outside balcony area was excellent. It features a huge washing machine that was such a lifesaver when you're travelling, meaning that we didn't have to venture to a coin laundry and wait around. This apartment made sure everything was taken care of. Being able to sit on the balcony and overlooking the sea views and the surrounding area was just wonderful. It's the perfect spot to enjoy a drink or two and gaze up at the huge hotel skyscrapers in the front. It's not only the lovely quiet apartment that you get for your money, you are also able to enjoy the building's premium amenities, like the climate-controlled co-working space and its nicely sized gym with weights, running machines and bench presses. But the one thing we made sure we used and really enjoyed was the sizable outdoor swimming pool. It was regularly maintained and cleaned and was surprisingly the right kind of temperature. It really was great to be able to jump in to cool down after a day of exploring in the hot Thai heat. Overall, we believe this property has a lot going for it, especially with its amenities and its convenient location. The price point is really quite unbeatable at just £42 per night for the two of us staying here. But if you wanted to stretch the pennies even more and you had more people with you, the property does accommodate up to 4 people comfortably. So if that was the case, you would be spending just £10 per person per night. We would happily return to this Airbnb. The host was fantastic and always there if we needed anything, and gave plenty of suggestions for our stay in Sriracha. We will leave the host's listing down below if anyone would be interested in staying here. But we just wanted to share our honest and real accommodation stay and hope that you enjoyed it. So we'll see you in the next one. Till next time.